The renovations begin. I'm going to take the shutters off. Got a beautiful color called Jamaican Me Crazy that we're going to put on. So we're going to do the shutters, the garage door, and the front door. So Cecil's got to get into the flower garden to take everything down without killing himself. No damage.
Trust me, Teresa won't help. If I go, I go. That's the way she's looking at it.
So let me put you down and I'll help. Alright, so after a little deliberation and executive decisions last night, we're not taking the shutters off. When Cecil tried to take them off, they looked like when we redid the windows, they've got stuck to the plaster putty around the window, and as we're trying to pull it off, it's either pulling the shutter, spreading it a little bit, pulling on the metal, or it's pulling on the frame. So we've decided not to take them off. So we'll just carefully paint them as they're on the wall. Let's do it. Gotta clean them first. It's not. The green's coming. I don't need that brush. No. It's fine. I take the top off. Yeah, it's just the green coming through on it.
Well, when you give them a scrub and then we'll wash it or let it all dry, and then I can tape it. I really wish I could have
Yeah, but I'd rather, like I can see where you bent them.
yeah, that's why it's gone.
Yeah. Perfect. So we'll let those dry, and then maybe this afternoon we can actually start. No, I can't do it this afternoon. Tomorrow?
Yeah, well, I'll try to tape. No, I can't tape tonight because it'll fall off with the moisture, so maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get started painting tomorrow. We're going to have to tape it off and then do that all tomorrow, see how it goes. But I'll show you what we've got done with the garage door. I don't know if you can see the white spots there. We had to do some wood filler on a couple spots that were cracking. We're not replacing the door, it's just too much expense for this time, but we're going to let the filler dry. I'm going to give it a good wash. We'll sand down the filler, of course, wash it all up, and then we'll start painting. So hopefully we'll be able to get started on some painting this afternoon. Okay, so Cecil has decided to take off the rubber piece on the side, or a metal piece on the side. There was rubber along that. You remember it was a different color. So he's taking that all off. It's just a sealer for the door. And now he's going to take off the rubber piece. But it's all nailed in, so he's got to keep the nails out too. Careful you don't fall, please. Oof.
I gotta find my nail puller.
I thought that's what you had there. Oh no, it's pry bar.
No, that's not it. So if you guys, like you guys get up and closer to that front end and lift it so it clears the cross brace. Yeah, but it's not gonna. I just fucking ladder back. I need a different ladder.
What about the small one?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a small one. Get it back. But you know, it's no rush either. So the 2x4s are there now. So even if we got to inch it, right? Yeah. So. All right. You guys ready? No, fucking really. I don't even have it, man. Hey, hold it. Okay, that fell out.
So you good there?
Well, the screws will fall out when you hit them, so.
Okay, now what are we sitting on here? All right, so we're okay there.
So let's just
We're not touching anything. That's good.
slide it ahead a bit to you.
Yeah.
Now we're on the 2x4s. Now we're on 2x4s. We could just slide it. Are you okay? You hitting anything?
Okay, hold on. Now,
What do you want?
do you guys, if I balance this, do you guys want to reposition yourself now?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, I got this. You guys get over to the trailer more.
The hinge on
Yeah.
this side.
Okay, hold on. So these.
Okay, you gotta hold it there for a second. Ready?
I got this in.
Okay, you got that, John?
I got this.
Okay,
Yep.
I gotta get on the other side with Andrew.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, hold on, Andrew.
Hold on, we're down. See, can you hurry up?
Yep.
Did it?
Hold on. Get my-
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to lift this and center it.
Yeah.
So that needs to go forward, or
Well, it's gotta
We
sit
got to
on
move
here
the
now.
screws again.
My bolts are lined up.
Yeah, these ones are good on the back
This
here.
whole thing has got to go this way.
Yeah, it's gotta come over now. But we gotta watch out for
oh, it fell out, Andrew.
So,
It's gone.
those
See,
hinges are on.
Never
it.
to be seen again.
please,
What?
you stand back there and take a look straight down and tell us if we got to go left or right at the center.
It's actually almost dead center. It's got this end's got to come over here this way, but I got to watch the clips here.
You got like a foot here, and we got like an inch here.
So this has got to go on the other side of this.
Where was the other clip gone?
Okay, guys, you got it.
So now we just got to center it up. That's
I
it.
think if you
That's
bar
center.
over, these open up first, just to test this. Yeah, no problem.
Pretty fucking high to be out here on a Sunday lifting this shit.
You don't even need a ladder now.
Oh yeah. Well, not really. You can step up on it,
I know.
right?
Going over top.
Oh, that thing. Yeah, it comes right out. Yeah.
It's even shorter than I thought.
Right? And that gives you more of a natural step now.
See what we did, Trace? right? Even though it's still like that. But once you're on it, yeah,
It's
that's
gonna
just
lower
it.
that
It'll
down.
come back down, right? So, yeah, I could even actually. No, it don't matter.
I think you're
I'd
better off.
rather have it like
I think
that,
you're better off like that.
right?
So they have, my dad's car,
And then that gives you all kinds of steps
he has a work
to
truck,
get in.
so when he's home, they have the truck. But otherwise they don't.
Plus, you're only 4 feet off.
And the trailer's not even
Yeah, it's not even bouncing.
bouncing.
No,
or
it's not
at all.
moving, eh?
Yeah.
So that's what I meant with the
2
counterweights.
months.
It actually works out really good. So,
Yeah, just don't forget your stands on the back.
yeah. Well, I'm going to get the ones like you said.
Stands on the
Charge
back.
it that way, right? So,
Oh, yeah.
That's all they are.
Yeah.
Right? Like the ones on my trailer are just
Good morning, everyone. So we're going to do a little bit of painting on the garage door. We got to prime it first, and Cecil's going to do a bit of taping so that I don't get too much of a mess all over the place. So we'll show you in a minute what we got going with the primer. That's a good idea. All right, so Cecil is supposed to be taping, has done a better job of using paper to put behind the shutter, which is a fantastic idea. Now I just cannot make a mess at all. No issues whatsoever.
what do you think I'm doing all this?
Because he's afraid. That's great, Cease. That's a really good idea. All right, we'll see you in a bit once we get some stuff done. All right, so there we have the door primed. So we're gonna let that dry. And then we're gonna go ahead and paint it. But let's see, Cecil started out front, so let's take a look. So Cecil got started on the shutters out front here, and I think they look great. I like the color. You can see the difference there, the blue to the sage. We're calling it, well, it's called Jamaican Me Crazy is the name of the color from Home Hardware against the blue that we had on there. What do you think, Cease?
I love it. I think it matches the brown really good. Once we got the paper off, I think it's going to look fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can see, if I go up here, see the brown? We're not going to do that. We're going to leave all the brown along the edge and just do the blue on the shutters. Take a look over here. See the tape job that Cecil's done. Fabulous. Oh, love it.
Man, whatever works, right?
Yeah, it's gonna work for sure. And there's Cecil finishing off the garage. Looks great. Love the color. Goes well with the brown.
And we can't say that in the process of painting that nothing was harmed because we killed about 9 bees. So,
Yeah, the bees seem to like the
color.
smell or the color of the paint or something. They either ended up on our paint brushes or they ended up in the paint bucket. I don't know. Tried to save as many as we could.
Here you go. Yeah, few spots. I'll come out in a couple of days,
Okay.
and I'll get that done now. I'm gonna leave the tree tied up for the rest of the night.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you don't want it going against that till it's dry. I love it. So there we go. All done. Front shutters and garage door. The garage door looks fantastic. Look at how it looks with the brown. Just sets it off quite nicely. So we just have our green door to do for the front door. We'll get that done. We've got weather stripping to go around the door, around the garage door. And then the rubber to go along the bottom ground. And then we're done. Looks good. Liking it.
Yeah, I like that.